Dr. Brown.
Is it possible, Mr. Chairman, to ask the Attorney General to come before us because of the importance of this whole issue of voter ID and explain to us the many rulings that he's made? In all due respect to legal, since we don't have a copy of that in front of me, I would, if he comes before budget to present his budget, and I just listen to that, I would like to have the Attorney General to come before us and help interpret some of these things.
I appreciate that, Dr. Brown. The Attorney General has ruled on this issue, as has the Supreme Court of the United States, and they have ruled that it is constitutional. We believe that our law will uphold constitutionality, and we.
Mr. Chairman, I would appreciate. I am talking. I want some respect.
Dr. Brown, would you like to continue? You may continue. If everyone would please keep their comments to a minimum so we can hear Dr. Brown as she's discussing. Dr. Brown.
One more time. We do not have those rulings in front of us, and I would like to have the opportunity to both have either a copy of that, of the gentleman himself, or a representative from his office to come in and explain. These are constitutional rights, we say, and we play with them as if they were written by children in kindergarten. These are our rights, and I want to be very, very clear and careful when I cast a vote, because the one man, one vote is so important, and to deny or put barriers between the individual and the execution of that right, to me, is one of the greatest sins we can commit while we're here.
And Dr. Brown, if you would like a opinion of that, I'm sure if you'd like to ask legal, I'm sure they'll be willing to provide that for you. I'm at the will of the committee. Representative Todd.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We all got a copy of that last year of the AG's opinion. It was passed out to everybody in here. So, you know, there's no sense in getting the AG here. He's already ruled. Supreme Court's ruled. You know, either we can vote it up or down, and everybody can vote how they want to vote, and leave it there. You know.
Representative Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Simple request. I can tell you I'm not sure where my copy is, but if Representative Todd has his copy, maybe he can get us get it printed, and we can look at it before we're finished with this.
Representative Todd, your name.
Thank you. At least I know how to read, and I keep my stuff a lot of times.
You're out of order. Out of order.
Maybe 3:30, so we could just. I mean, I'm not doubting learned counsel, but if
would you like to?
Could I roll it to the second calendar today?
We'll roll the bill. We'll roll this. Chairman turn. With that, we will roll this bill to the heel of the calendar.
It's been a pleasure, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Leader Fitzhugh. Next up, we'll go back on the regular calendar.